Shah Jahan, the Mughal king, fell deeply in love with his wife Mumtaz Mahal, who became his inspiration for one of the most magnificent structures ever built. The Taj Mahal, a symbol of eternal love, was envisioned to honor her memory after her untimely death. As the Taj Mahal began to rise from the ground, it embodied not just architectural brilliance, but also Shah Jahan's unwavering devotion to Mumtaz. Each artisan poured their heart into the intricate details, ensuring that every corner reflected the love story of the royal couple. Years later, the Taj Mahal stood completed, a breathtaking tribute to love, with its stunning symmetry and intricate artistry enchanting all who visited. It became not only a mausoleum, but a lasting reminder of Shah Jahan's deep affection for Mumtaz Mahal, ensuring their legacy would endure through the ages. Today, the Taj Mahal stands as one of the world's most visited landmarks, drawing millions who marvel at its beauty and story. It serves as a powerful reminder of Shah Jahan's love for Mumtaz Mahal, immortalizing their connection in the hearts of generations to come.